Welcome to Kirkpatrick's Information Portal, KMC Connect, taking you to the cloud to give you more access to the information you need from anywhere on any device, simply by logging in. This quick start tutorial will give you an overview of the portal's navigation and how to find the information you need to access quickly with just a few clicks of the mouse. If you have not yet set up your login, please visit our website, ekirkpatrick.com, and select Login to your account. For additional information, consult the Getting You Started section of the Board Member Portal User Guide PDF document. You will need your account number and email address to get started. Now, let's explore the portal. Enter your username and password to go directly to the home screen. At the left of the home screen, you will see a summary of balance due and recent maintenance issues. On the right side, you can select from your quick view menus to view or update your profile, accounting, compliance, maintenance, web links, and documents. Click on the Profile tab to view all available records. To add a record, click here and enter the appropriate information. Click on the Accounting tab to preview all accounts and balances. As a board member, you may see all invoices that are waiting for payment and view those that have already been paid up to 60 days. Click on the Compliance tab to immediately access information on compliance records. All records of association non-compliance are stored here for easy viewing and access. You will have access to all current and historical records you can access with the click of a button. Click the Maintenance tab to view all records of association service requests and filter requests to preview historical and current requests. You can also submit a new maintenance request through the KMC Connect portal. Click on the Web Links tab and you will find important emails and web addresses for quick reference, including the contact information for your Kirkpatrick management team. You can click directly on the email link to send an email right from the portal. Click on the Documents tab to access legal documents, community newsletters, and welcome packages for new homeowners. For board members, you will find monthly association reports, meeting minutes, financial reports, and important legal correspondence for quick, easy access. It's simple, easy to use, and will streamline your processes for accessing documents and previewing real-time accounting and maintenance updates for your association. Log on today to explore KMC Connect.